So now let me go to the next example, that is 23rd example. Find k if f dash f of k equal to 5 where f of k equal to 2k minus 1. So in the solution we will see f dash f of k equal to ff of k, that is, and substituting f of k value, that is 2k minus 1, in f of k value, f of k, that is 2 into, for k I am putting this whole value here, 2k minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 4k. I am multiplying it inside. 2k minus 2 minus 1 will be the same, and that is equal to 4k minus 3. So f dash f of k equal to 4k minus 3. And also we have given that f dash f of k equal to 5 in the question. So let me substitute it in the equation number, this be the equation number 1, I'll substitute it here. So therefore f 4k minus 3 equal to 5, and 4k equal to this minus 3 will go that side and it will become plus 3, and that will add up to 8. So k equal to 8 by 4, therefore k equal to 2. So our next topic is about composition of three functions. Let a, b, c, d be four sets, and let f is a to b, g is b to c, and h is c to b be three functions. Using composite functions f dash g and g dash h, we get two new functions like f dash g dash h and f dash g dash h. This is nothing but I input f is put into the machine called g, I'll get the output as gf. Then when I put input g in the machine called h, I'll get hg. When I start putting the inputs and the outputs in the next machine, I will get hg into f equal to h into gf. So our next example is number 24. If f of x equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x equal to 1 minus 2x and h of x equal to 3x, we have to prove that f dash g dash h equal to f dash g dash h. That is, these are nothing but multiply symbols. This means that f into g into h equal to f into g into h. So in our solution, we already know that f of x is given as 2x plus 3 and g of x is given as 1 minus 2x and h of x is given that 3x. So now I am starting with the RHS. That is, this is the RHS. So RHS is f into g bracket close into h. So first we should find the inside the bracket, that is f into g. Now I am finding f dot g into x, that is equal to fg of x, that is equal to, I am substituting the g of x in the value of f of x, that is f of 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 2 into 1 minus x plus 3, that is f of x is given 2x plus 3 and g of x is given 1 minus 2x. I am substituting this value in the place of x. I will get 2, I am multiplying it inside, so I will get 2 minus 4x plus 3, that is equal to 5 minus 4x. So now I have found f dash g, I should multiply it with h now. That is f dash g into h of x equal to f dash g into h of x, that is equal to f dash g. So h of x is given as 3x. So already we have found f dash g, that is 5 minus 4x. And just substituting the value of h of x in the place of x, I will get 5 minus 4 into, here I will put 3 of x, that is here. That is 5 minus, I am putting the value, I am multiplying the value of 4 into 3x, that is equal to minus 12x. This is our first equation. Now let me go to the RHS, that is f dash into g dash h. I will first find, sorry, that this is LHS. So already we have found we are going to first find g dash h and then we'll multiply it with f dash. That is g dash h of x equal to g h of x, that is equal to, I am putting the value of h of x in the value of g of x, that is g into 3x, that is g of x value is 1 minus 2x. I am putting the value of 3x in the place of x. I will get 1 minus 6x. Now I am multiplying the g dash h with f dash, that is f of 1 minus 6x. Already we have found g dash h. I am putting the value here, that is equal to f of x value is 2x plus 3. I am substituting 1 minus 6x in the place of x. I will get, I am putting the value of 2 inside this. So 2 into 1 minus 2 into 6x plus 3. That is, I will get the value as 5 minus 12x. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2 we get f dash g dash h equal to f dash g dash h. So let me go to the next example, number 25. The question is, find x if g into f of x equal to f into g of x. That is, given that f of x equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 3. That is, in solution we get g into f of x equal to g into f of x. I am just separating it by two brackets. That is, we will pronounce it as g of f of x. So that is equal to g into f into 3x plus 1. That is, I am substituting the value of f of x as given in 3x plus 1. So I will get g of f of x. So that is f of x, I am putting it as 3x plus 1. That is equal to g of 3 into 3x plus 1 plus 1. That is, here also f of x only. So I am putting another 3x plus 1. So in the place of x, I am putting 3x plus 1. So I will get g into, I am multiplying the value of 3 inside. So I will get 9x plus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 9x plus 4. G into 9x plus 4. So that is g into 9x plus 4 equal to, I am just putting the g value, that is x plus 3. I am putting the 9x plus 4 in the place of x. So I will get 9x plus 4 plus 3. That is equal to 9x plus 7. So f of g of x equal to f of g of x. I am putting brackets now also. So in the next part, so now I am substituting the g of x value here, x plus 3. So f of g of x plus 3 equal to f of x plus 3 plus 3. That is equal to another, here another g is there. So I am putting next g value, that is x plus 3. For x value I am putting it as x plus 3. I will get f of x plus 6. I will add these 3. So I will get 6. So f of x plus 6 equal to, I am putting it this value in the x value of f, that is 3x plus 1. I am putting this x plus 6 in the place of x. So I will get 3 into x, 3x plus 18 plus 1, that is 3x plus 19. So these two quantities being equal, we get 9x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 19. That is, already we have given this in the question, that is in the question it is given that, sorry, this is the question, g of f of x equal to g of f of g of x. So I am just solving the two equations. 9x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 19. I am just bringing this 3x this side. So 9x minus 3x equal to, I am taking this plus 7 that side. I will get 19 minus 7. So 6x equal to 12. So x will be 12 by 6. So when we cut it, we will get x equal to 2. That is, we have got here x equal to 2. So this is our x value.